Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face? Or how self-driving cars navigate traffic? It's a thought that might have crossed your mind while you're unlocking your phone with just a glance, or when you read about the latest advancements in autonomous vehicles. You might also have wondered how your voice assistant seems to understand you, even when you're just mumbling sleepily for the weather update. Or how your email manages to filter out unwanted spam, keeping your inbox clean and uncluttered. Perhaps you've been amazed by the way your streaming service always knows what movie or series to recommend next. Or how online shopping platforms seem to know exactly what you need even before you do. These are all around us, integrated into our daily lives, making things easier, more efficient, and sometimes just a bit magical. The answer to all these questions is AI, or artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is this AI or artificial intelligence? Well, let's start by saying that AI is not a robot from a science fiction movie, nor is it a supercomputer plotting to take over the world. No, AI is much more reality-based, and, dare we say, a bit more mundane than that. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, is a branch of computer science. It's all about creating machines that mimic human intelligence. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? But what does it mean to mimic human intelligence? Think about it this way. When you're faced with a problem, you use your brain to find a solution. You reason, analyze, weigh different options, and finally come up with an answer. Well, AI aims to teach machines to do just that. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also learn. Similar to how a child learns by observing and experiencing the world around them, machines can learn by processing massive amounts of data and identifying patterns. This is often referred to as machine learning, a subset of AI. AI can also perceive the environment. Just like we use our senses to interact with the world, AI uses sensors and data to understand its surroundings. This ability is particularly important in fields like robotics and self-driving cars. And what about language? Yes, AI can even understand and generate human language. This is how your voice assistant understands your commands and responds in a way that makes sense to you. This branch of AI is called natural language processing. In summary, AI is not about creating an all-knowing, all-powerful machine. It's about creating smart machines that can learn from experience, reason through problems, understand their environment, and communicate in a way that's similar to how we humans do. It's about augmenting our human capabilities with the power of machines. In essence, AI is about creating machines that can think and learn like us. Now that we know what AI is, how does it work? Well, to grasp how artificial intelligence functions, imagine a newborn baby. Just like a baby learns to recognize faces, sounds, and objects through experience, artificial intelligence leans on a similar principle. It learns from experience, but in the case of AI, this experience comes from data. Now you might wonder, what kind of data? Well, it could be anything. It could be the millions of images on the internet, countless books in various languages, or even the data from thousands of weather stations worldwide. The possibilities are endless. Here's where machine learning, a crucial subset of AI, steps in. Machine learning is the brainchild behind AI's ability to learn and adapt. It is the process by which AI systems learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions, all without human intervention. Picture machine learning as a highly skilled detective. This detective sifts through mountains of information, seeking patterns and clues. Once it finds a pattern, it uses this newly discovered knowledge to make informed decisions. This decision-making ability is what we see as intelligence in artificial intelligence. But of course, no detective can solve a case without a good set of clues. In the world of AI, this crucial set of clues comes in the form of training data. The AI system is fed a vast amount of training data, which it uses to learn and improve. Over time, the system becomes more accurate and efficient, much like how a child becomes more adept at recognizing faces with time. However, it's important to note that AI doesn't understand in the way humans do. It doesn't have feelings, thoughts, or personal experiences. It's a tool that we've designed to analyze data and make decisions based on that analysis. And that's the beauty of it. AI is a creation of human ingenuity, capable of learning from experience and making decisions, all while being devoid of human biases and limitations. So AI works by learning from data and making decisions based on what it's learned. So, what have we learned today about AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's often called, is not some far-off sci-fi concept or a future technology. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the world around us. But what is it exactly? Simply put, AI is all about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. It's about building systems that can understand, learn, and respond to their environment in ways that were once thought to be exclusively human. But how does AI work? The answer lies in data. AI systems learn from data, lots of it. They analyze this data, identify patterns, and use these patterns to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. It's like teaching a child to recognize a cat by showing them pictures of different cats. Over time, they learn to identify a cat, not because they were explicitly told what a cat looks like, but because they learned from the data they were presented with. We also touched upon the many applications of AI that are already a part of our everyday lives. From voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, to recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, to autonomous cars and even medical diagnostics, AI is everywhere. And this is just the beginning. The potential applications of AI are vast, and we're only scratching the surface. But remember, like any technology, AI is not without its challenges. Issues of privacy, security, and ethical considerations are all important parts of the AI conversation. It's not just about what AI can do, but also about what it should do. So, as we move forward into an increasingly AI-driven world, let's not forget the lessons we've learned today. Let's continue to explore, to question, and to understand this powerful technology. Because AI is more than just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we live and work.